Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to take a tutorial, not actually take a tutorial but teach you or give you some tips that how can you fix your own PC or laptop problems yourself. Let's get started. First of all, let us consider about the PC. What all components a PC has? A PC has a monitor, a PC has a CPU, UPS, keyboard, mouse, speakers and its components. So monitor, you cannot fix a monitor. A monitor works fine until and unless it is very much old. And if it is old, you have to replace it with a new one. And if you have a PC, you need an internet connection to work on that PC. So you take any ISP, any internet service provider, and how can you check whether your net speed is fine or not, whether your network is correct or not, your IP address, how much Mbps it is going. So for that you need to visit a website called as www.speedtest.net. After you go there, you will find a big round circle and many other graphs. In that big round circle, you will see Go is written. Click on that Go. It will show a big speedometer which will show you that how much Mbps or your net is working, and it will show you IP number and on which ISP you are using, ISP which fiber it is using, and many other aspects in detail it will show you, and all the tracking details and many other details it will show you. These are the internet problems. And next we shall go to our UPS or CPU problems. To see that your performance of your UPS or CPU is fine or not, you have to visit a website called as www.userbenchmark.com/software. After visiting this website, you need to download the user benchmark software. After downloading the software, what all conditions it asks for, just go for yes, yes and yes. Then many options it will show. Click on a fixed device, then it will start processing or fixing your CPU or UPS whether it is fine or not. If it has some minor problems, then it will fix automatically without anyone's problem, and it is a systematic fixation. But if you have any technical problem, you need to call for a technician. You cannot fix it yourself, and if you can, that's well fine and good. And after that it will also show you that how much gaming you are doing in your PC, how much desktop you are using, how much you are using it as a workstation, and all other. That website also provides you with an upgradation. If you need any upgradation with your PC, UPS, you need a Ryzen software or a Ryzen CPU, then you can upgrade it, but you have to give it in dollars because it does not accept any Indian currency. It will show you the performance of your PC, how much it is performing. It will show you the processor, RAM, how many hours it is working. It will also show you the memory storage latency in a graph, that how much MB you are using day by day, how it is increasing or how it is decreasing. It will show you all the factors. And the main three factors it will show you that is exciting is that how much gaming you are doing, how much you are using the desktop, or how much you are using it as a workstation. So next component is our keyboard. You will easily get to know whether your keyboard is working or not, just typing or clicking that Windows sign which is present at the bottom. You will get to know whether your keyboard is working or not. But if you want to seriously see whether your keyboard is, all the keys are working it properly or not, you need to visit this website called as www.keyboardtest.com. And after visiting that website, it is a HTML based website, so it will show all the keys on the screen, and if you press a button, suppose Q, you press the button Q and on the screen it will show you Q, that you have pressed Q. All the buttons, you can also dab on that keyboard and all the buttons that you are pressing, it will be shown on the screen. Then next comes on our mouse. For checking, it is very easy to check that your mouse is working or not, but to check it seriously, you need to visit a website called as www.onlinemictest.com/mouse test. If you visit this website, it will show a picture of the mouse, and if you click the left side of the mouse, it will show on that screen that you are clicking the left side, and if you click the right side of the mouse, it will show you on screen that you are clicking the right side of the mouse. And if you are scrolling it up, it will show an arrow that you are scrolling up, and if you are scrolling it down, it will show you an arrow that you are scrolling it down. This is all about our mouse. Then the next comes is our speakers. Generally people keep two speakers when it is attached to the PC. So how can you check whether both the speakers are equally working or not, or if one is down and the other is up? So you have to visit this website called as www.onlinemictest.com/youtube-no sound. You have to just click on that and it will directly take you to that website where it will show two side by side arrows. When you click on the left side arrow, your left side speaker will make a sound, and when you click on the right side arrow, if your speaker is working, then the speaker will generate a sound the right side. So basically you will get an idea whether both your speakers are equally working or not. Yesterday I just did a test of my speakers. I clicked the left side arrow and the left speaker generated a noise, and I clicked on the right side arrow, the right speaker did not generate any noise, or it had generated a very less sound. So I need to fix that problem, not systematically but technically. I have to do some wiring problem to fix that. So next comes the last thing of which a complete PC needs is a webcam. How can you see that your webcam is perfect or not? You can do a Google Meet and check it out, but that's weird. Making a Google Meet and checking whether your webcam is working or not is weird. So how can you check whether your webcam is upgraded or whether it is showing the picture quality clearly? So you need to visit this website called as www.onlinemictest.com/webcam test. It will take you directly to the website. It will show on a big screen that you are sitting in front of a webcam and how much clarity and quality the picture of your webcam is like, and what all components does your webcam has. It will show all the components if your webcam is fixed to your PC. And you can also adjust the quality of your video by just scrolling or adjusting the lens. So that's all about today's video. Do like the video and share as much as you can to spread this information about the testing and fixation of problems. Do comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Until then, bye bye.